Now next is D to A converter with R and 2R resistors. So this is the D2A, this is a ladder network was called. So this is the circuit diagram for the D2A converter. See here you are using only two combination of resistors R and 2R, R 2R. So R I am taking 10K, 2R I am taking 20K. So only two values of resistors is required. RF also I am taking as 20K. Now see here I'll tell you how does it work. Now suppose the case B3 is connected to plus 5 volt, B3 is connected to plus 5 volt, B0, B1, B2 connected to ground. That means B3 is equal to 1, B1, B0 and B2 are equal to 0. That is connected to ground. So accordingly, I'm now just modifying the circuit. So B0, B1, B2 is equal to 0. So that is 3 are connected to ground, and B3 is equal to 1, it is connected to plus 5 volt. Now for getting the output, first we need to Thevenizing the circuit. So just find the Thevenin equivalent resistance RTH first. RTH. See, when I am taking this is ground, this is ground. So these two resistance will be coming as parallel. 2R parallel 2R will be equal to R. Now that R comes series with this R, again that will be 2R. This 2R and this 2R are parallel, again it is R. That R and this R are series, it will become 2R. That 2R and this 2 are parallel, it will become again R, R plus R, 2R. So now this circuit you will be having, this is 2R and this one is also 2R. There you are connecting 5 volt. This part is connected to the minus plus. Plus is grounded. This is RF 20K. And this is the V out. Now this is ground. So this 2R will be the RTH value. So RTH you will be getting as the 2R. So now when you are taking the output, see this is ground. So the voltage at this point as it is done, V1 should be equal to 0. The voltage at this point, say V2 also should be equal to 0. This current will be 0, no current here, and this current, so this current will be equal to, say it is I1 I am representing, so I1 I can write as 5 divided by 2R, 2R is nothing but 20K, so 5 by 20K, I think you will be getting around 0.25 milliampere. 0.25 milliampere. So your V out, like the same way if you are going to calculate here, your V out is only that current, that only will be your IF. So surely your I1 should be equal to your feedback current IF. So V out is equal to, as it is connected to the minus, so it is minus IF into RF. So that means minus 0.25 milliampere multiplied by 20K. So it will come as around, I think, minus 5. 20 into 2.5 will come as minus 5 volt around. So if this condition, that means your input is B3 is 1, so 1 0 0 0, the corresponding analog voltage you will be getting as minus 5 volt for this input combination. So that will be shown here. See here that 0.25 milliampere what I got. So your output will be minus 5 volt. So generalizing this equation, this circuit, you can get the general expression for your output as V out is equal to minus RF in B3 by 2R plus B2 by 4R plus B1 by 4R plus B0 by 16, B minus RF into B3 by 2R plus B2 by 4R plus B1 by 8R plus B0 by 16R. Now if all are 1, that means B3, B2, B1, B0 all are 1. In that case you will be getting a maximum voltage of minus 9.375 volt. That is the corresponding output for all 1 case. So your output will be that one. Now, so that's about your R2 or ladder network DCT converter. The greatest advantage is it requires only 2 set of precision resistance and number of input is increased beyond the 4 or more. Only problem is circuit become complex, so analyzing will be just difficult and accuracy will reduce or it will degenerate. So that's about R2R ladder network. Here shown a problem. So for the binary input, so B1100 and a reference voltage 5 volt, you have to sketch a 4-stage R2R ladder network using an inverting amplifier 10 and 20 kilo ohm resistors. Same. Also calculate the output voltage. See this one. This is B3, B2, B1, B0 like that. So B0 is 0, B1 is 0, B2 and B3 are connected to 5 volt. So in that circuit you just have to modify like that and calculate the output voltage. You know the output voltage expression here, it is minus RF into this. So just use that equation and get the answer.